Hello everyone, I am Chetan Garg representing my firm Kamla Furnishing, your one-stop solution for all kinds of home and hotel furnishing products. We are in this business since last more than 20 years and I am a proud member of BNI Isha since 2 years in the category of home furnishing products. My brother, he was a charter member of BNI Isha Siliguri, and I was very inquisitive to know what is BNI all about. So one day he finally approached me and told me to join in a meeting for BNI. So I went in there for a meeting and I saw the structured approach how BNI works, and I was really very impressed with that, and seeing more than 50 plus business persons from the region, I was really impressed with that, and the structured approach or the philosophy of BNI, how it works and how it helps in developing your business. So there and then only I decided to become a member, and I knew being with the top business persons in the chapter with more than 50 plus members, so I knew that they would become my guide and a mentor and would help me in achieving more business and more growths. Okay, so it had only been 1 year that I was a member of BNI Isha, and after seeing my dedication and contribution towards the chapter, the region team decided to take the chapter ahead as a lead visitor host. So I was very happy with that being one of the youngest member, I was appointed as the lead visitor host. And then after seeing my performance and my contribution towards the chapter as the lead visitor host, the region team decided to make me the vice president of the chapter for the next tenure. And I was little very nervous and skeptical, like being one of the youngest member, how will I take the head with more than 60 members in the chapter? But with the region team and the leadership team always there by my support, they helped me, they took me, and we as the region, we took the chapter ahead and forward. So there was this person from Bhutan who was building his home and was in requirement of home furnishing products. He went to many other business persons in Siliguri, but he was not very satisfied with them, or rather he was not finding trust with them, whether he should give his order to them or not. Then he went with his query to one of the BNI member of Isha, and that member referred him to me, and then he got the trust factor as he got the referral from a BNI member, and with no second thought or no second doubt, he just placed his order with me. And after completing his work, he was so much satisfied and happy with our work that he started giving much more referrals and much more business to us. So from there we got 1 tire referral, 2 tire referral, multiple tires referral in fact. And from there, that incident itself, we have opened our doors to Bhutan region as well, and we are doing much more business currently. Okay, so there are 7 core values of BNI, and give us gain is one of the lifeline core value of BNI. So different values also there are which are accountability, building relationships. So these core values have helped me a lot after joining BNI. Before joining BNI, I was not very much accountable or building relationship with my clients or customers. The customers would walk into our store, they would purchase the products, and then just they would go away. But I was not building relationship with them. So after joining BNI, I got to understand the value of accountability and building relationship, how it is important to build relationship with your clients and customers. And after doing that gradually, I started getting more referrals from my old customers itself. So that has helped me a lot in my business after joining BNI, and it has taken me to greater heights, and now I am accountable to each and one of my customers. Whether it's a small or big, it doesn't matter, but right now I am taking ahead with it. I would like to thank BNI for teaching me how to do business in a different way, and not only business, but BNI has also helped me a lot in my personal level, and it has taught me, it has groomed me, and with my BNI extended family, I feel home with them. It's like more than 60 members and they are my extended family. with my sales team, my extended family, whom I can reach out to them at any point of time, and all my problems also can be shared, and everything I can, like, it's a different kind of thing joining BNI. And I would like to thank everyone. Thank you BNI for changing the way I do business.